Hello, my friends. I know you've already seen the club stamps and dies, but wait. Hold your socks because I'm going to knock them off. Are you ready? You know me. When I'm designing and I'm doing stuff and I'm having a great time making it, I'm like, oh, well, I want this, but gosh, I need one that does this. And oh, I need one that looks like this. And oh, I want to put it in this. And oh, wouldn't it look fun to have this? And I just kind of go a little crazy. So what did I do? Well, this time I came out with more birdies because hello, first of all, these are like bigger size birdies, you guys. You guys have to realize these are like 3.75 inches roughly. They are a good size bird, which is fun. Now, most people are using these as cardinals on our design team, but you can make this bird any color you want. I'm giving you permission. Not that you needed it. So here we go. This is the club set that club members are already getting. But here is the extra stamp set. I love this one. You are loved. Oh, that's one of my favorite ones. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match. Here you go. I also included little tiny baby birds. Now, remember back in the day when we had that gorgeous 5x7 tree background? Back in the day, go back. A lot of you already have it because it was a big seller, bestseller. I want you to put one of these little birdies in that tree. Just saying. Just saying. Back then, I said I have a future club set that will go good with this one, and that is the little birdie. So there we go. We have 2 extra pieces. Then, I'm going to show you that one last because it's my favorite. Then, lots of extra words. Spread your wings and fly. Your light will always shine in my heart. Cardinals appear when angels are near, which is so sweet. Those we love don't go away. They fly beside us every day. I'm here for you. I'm always with you. And a cute little cardinal with a heart on it. Little stamp. I love it. Now, you're also option, and this is also in the bundle. And I know this doesn't really look like much when you look at it in the packaging. Sometimes dies just don't. But here it is with our apple barrel. Look at those gorgeous poinsettias. Aren't they stunning? I absolutely love them. You have your little flowers with your little berries, and it looks adorable with the little barrel folded. Love that. Last but not least, which is probably my favorite in this release, is this one. This is a wreath folded for your birdie to sit inside. So here's a sample of the birdie on the inside, right? We are going to flip this over because here you have your berry leaves and your berries and your berry leaves. I also gave you an extra die of that exact same thing to do with it as you please, but you can die cut it separate and just boom, glue it on top. Oh, right? Because then it just makes everything go faster and easier. I gave you extra pieces just because I could get them in there. There's even one behind this tag that you can't even see. Now let's jump in and look at all of our samples. I will warn you though, you're going to see a couple sneak peeks. Just saying. That's very exciting. Are you ready? Get set. First of all, look how cute that wreath goes on a 5x7 card. I absolutely love seeing that cute little wreath there. Look at all the berries and all the holly on there. Absolutely love that. Here, get ready for a sneak peek. Get ready for a sneak peek. But here we go. Here's bluebirds. Do you guys remember bluebirds? I was actually a bluebird when I was a little girl. Here's some fun bluebirds. Now, if you're the type, and some of you are, and I totally respect that, if you're the type that does not like to color, this set is perfect for you because you stamp it and die cut it and you're done. But you're going to stamp it on red cardstock. Whoa! I know, look at that. There you go, on red cardstock. Isn't that absolutely perfect? I love it. That's on the horizontal stage card. We have cardinals on red cardstock and they are done. How simple is that? Here's another one. You can just do it on red, you guys, or you can do it on blue. You can do purple. You can do whatever color you want. So simple. Now, here's another one, or you could color them. So the option is really yours. You get to decide how you do it, but it's so simple. And oh, here's that sneak peek I was telling you about. There's that sneak peek I was telling you about. But look at how cute that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love these birdies, and they're so fun. Here's that one with the sneak peek also on this fun little spot right here. Just saying. Oh, another sneak peek. Look at how gorgeous that is. Your light will always shine in my heart. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. I absolutely love it. Oh, here's a pretty one. There is one with the poinsettias and the cardinal. Isn't that gorgeous? He's like peeking behind those. Here's a fun one using our vertical stage card. Isn't that cute with that cute little birdie in there? So simple, you guys. So simple. Now, let's look into some more poinsettias. Oh, are you kidding? Are you kidding? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, what if you didn't want red and you wanted pink? Okay, we'll do pink. You get to decide what colors you're making. Okay, now this one, if you're not sitting down, you need to sit down. Oh, wait. Sit down. Sit down. Are you ready? When I saw this one, I kind of went, oh, my heart fluttered a little bit. I'm telling you, who made this one? Yvette. Look at this one, you guys. Look at how stunning with the poinsettias on there with white and mirror paper, the silver mirrored paper, the foil paper. Is that just absolutely gorgeous? Oh, I'm sorry, that's the holograph paper. Is that just like absolutely gorgeous or what? Doesn't that just make you go, oh, I kind of did that when I saw it for the first time. I absolutely love it. Something totally different, right? Now, I have all these awesome wreaths to show you. Well, you don't have to put a birdie in it if you don't want to. Look at how cute that is. Merry Christmas. Gorgeous. Or you can put a birdie in it if you want to. Look at that. Or you can put a Bible verse on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Isn't that pretty? Or you could make a green background. So many different options, you guys. Or, oh my goodness, this is awesome. You could make it a tag for a present. Isn't that awesome? Look how fun that tag is, to and from, and you're done, right? Simple. Or you could make a beautiful ornament. This is laminated. Isn't that gorgeous? This is literally an ornament to go on somebody's tree. Isn't that pretty? So lovely. Now, club members, you know the deal. You are getting the club discount on all of these items. If you're not in the club, join now. You can be in the stamp club for as little as $13.99 a month. Join now, then go buy all these products. Hopefully they're still on flash sale. The first 24 hours they're on the website, they're on flash sale. You'll get the club discount after you join the club. Literally seconds after you join the club, boom, you're gonna get the club discount. It's automatic. It's pretty amazing. And first 24 hours they're on the website, they're on flash sale. And if we still have any left, you can get the bundle, which you save even more. It's like crazy. I'm honestly paying you to be my friend. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. TheStampsOfLife.com. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.